Welcome to our channel. So in this video we will discuss about the AI tools for DevOps. So in this video we are gonna discuss that why AI tools in these times are not perfect suitable for DevOps in these times. Yup, I know you would say that AI are the next big things, but still they need a lots of advancement in their fields. Our review is very crucial for the correct behavior of AI tools. I know you must be thinking of the most trending AI tools these days, and that is ChatGPT. But you also know this, that it is only better for prompts and codes, whereas in DevOps it is mostly about integration, and use cases in DevOps are like releasing fast, securing infrastructure, monitoring, and all these can be automated. Imagine a scenario where AI is helping automate things, helping make database decisions. This means super fast code validations, proactive support, and automatic detecting security threats, all being done with the help of the AI. This sounds too good to be true, but as I said, most of the AI tools aren't mature enough to decide of their own. We cannot use them on autopilot. AI cannot do things automatically. Human review and validation is necessary. Still, there are very good use cases. Now let us see. What are the use case of AI in DevOps and cloud? The first category we have is AI code assistance, and the main use cases for such tool is writing infrastructure as code, writing configuration as code, and so on. One of the example is GitHub Copilot and other tools like this. Basically they are your code assistant within code editor or IDE. They complete code suggestions, chat functionality, or comment, or you can ask specifically to give you code piece or entire code block, or simply respective code for that functionality. You can even ask to refactor a code block or clean up the code, find any code duplications or dirty code, so to say, and also you can ask application code or improvement suggestions. But there are some limitations to these tools. You still need to validate the generated code, and often code doesn't work. You need to fix some parts. Now let us move to other task, which is AI-powered monitoring. Monitoring is a challenging and complex task. When you have very complex systems with thousands of servers and tens of thousands of components, then you can't do observability manually, you have to automate it, and when your system is not behaving correctly, it should alert proactively when the services and the applications in your system behaves abnormally. But configuring proper monitoring is challenging task, so this is where monitoring AI tools comes into play. One such popular tool is Datadog's Watchdog. It is basically built-in intelligence layer, continuously analyzes billions of data points from your infrastructure to applications to the underlying platform to find issues and help you resolve them quickly. Datadog's feature is also to identify the issue. What actually caused that issue can be identified by Datadog, and it is actually the strength of an AI that it can analyze large sets of historical data as well as analyze the data. Now the next interesting use case is security-centric tools, specifically tools that can prevent any security issues before they happen by doing security checks and discovering any security vulnerabilities based on statistical data. Or are some security AI tools that even allow operations team to configure autofixes when security issues or misconfigurations are detected, so the tool itself will find and fix the security issues before it can get exploited. One such tool for that is SysDig Security, and monitoring it uses machine learning techniques to detect anomalies. It breaks down knowledge silos across vulnerabilities and see per candela security. This tool has the feature which is able to discern risk, and it has the ability to prioritize events and make decisions for next steps on queries. SysDig will go through entire cloud graph, and it will detect anomalies and highlight any threat. Another category of AI tools will be AI-powered cloud optimization that will make the efficient use of cloud, that will keep check on the prices and billing of cloud services. There are much tools like this that are used to keep checks, for example, Cloud Health by VMware, Usage Cast. Much tools has the ability to watch the price and billings. Also, they have tendencies like predicting future cloud usage and expenses on the basis of past data, or predicting future resource demands. So that's it, that's the use case. These were 4 use cases that are needed, but still I would say that these are not much developed tools and needs a lot advancement. Thank you for watching our video.